Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a haul from the Kiss Nails website. And I chose some really cool colors. I'm excited to see what's in here. I don't even remember what I chose, but I do know that some of these colors were referred to me by one of my subscribers, Rachel, who got in touch with me. Hi, Rachel. Thank you so much for sending the email and letting me know about the sale that was going on the Kiss website. She shared with me all the colors that she chose, and they're really great colors for summer. There's like corals and blues. Some of the colors that she chose were no longer available when I went on the site, but I chose a couple more, so I'm gonna just take them out of the box, see what I got, and then I'm gonna put a set on. So let's see what's in here. Looks like fun. I got some really cool colors in here. So I don't remember which ones were from Rachel, but I think these Impress ones all were. So let me put some glasses on. All right, so these colors are beautiful. These are the Impress, the ones where you don't need any glue. And the colors I have here are Vivid Lavender. So pretty. I have Corally Crazy, which is a beautiful, beautiful color for summer. I have Orchid Festival. Ooh, this is such a pretty color. I've never had this one before. These were inspired by Rachel, and these are gorgeous colors I'm going to be using this summer for sure. But the ones that I chose, now these are all glue-ons. These are so cute. I forgot all about the kind that I ordered. So these are adorable. These are short and these are a Kiss. And the thing about these nails is they never have a name on them, but I'm going to show you. These have little kitties and little hearts. Aren't they so cute? This is really cute too. Now I am a polka dot girl, especially red polka dot, red and white polka dots. This is a strawberry embellished nail with a red and white polka dots. So cute, huh? These are all short. You see the short nail. And these ones with the kitty are Voguish Fantasy. This one is Salon Design. And this last one is a Voguish Fantasy. These are also short, and these have a pretty little daisy on a red tipped nail, a red tip with little daisies on them. Oh my gosh, so I'm not sure which one I want to try. They gave me, Kiss always gives you some little bit of sample stuff, and they are, the makeup that they sell is called Joa, and I got some foundation samples in this box, and they give you a bunch of different colors to try. If you are interested in that, when you order from the Kiss website, you will get that. So I'm not sure which ones I want to try. I kind of want to try the different ones, although I do love this really pretty Orchid Festival color. But you know what? I'm feeling fun. And I'm going to try these, believe it or not. I thought I would want to go with a color, like I love the strawberries, but I really love these kitties. So I'm going to glue these on. Let's see what they look like. All right, guys, I have on my nails on all my fingers except my thumbs. I always do those last in case I want to trim the nails. And I do think I want to trim the nails. They look really cool. I love the little paw and the little heart. I love the kitty. I don't know if I trim them down, that's gonna, I filed them a little bit. The pinky is they're supposed to be short, but they're never that short. I think I'm just gonna keep them like this for now instead of trimming them, because if I trim them, I'm gonna trim them down pretty far. And I don't know how they'll look. So I'm gonna keep them like this. You'll have to let me know what you think. I'm on vacation this week, so you know, I'm not typing as much as I normally do. So I might be able to get away with the length. I'm gonna keep them this length for now and just see how I do with them. I might end up trimming them down as the week goes on, depending on, you know, if they get in the way or I don't think that I like how they look. But it's not the shape that I usually go for. I usually go for the square, but I don't know. Maybe it's just gonna take some getting used to, because I don't know what I'll be able to do with them on, you know. All right, guys, here they are, my little kitties. They have a bit of a different shape than I'm used to, but they are so cute and different for summer. So yeah, that's my nail haul, guys. So I hope that some of these nails have inspired you. These are the kitty ones. Then I have these really cute red tip daisies and the strawberries with red and white polka dots, and then all the impressed colors inspired by Rachel. So you'll have to let me know which ones of these were your favorites. I'll link them all below, whatever's still available on the KISS website. I will definitely let you know if they're still available by linking them in the description section. So thanks for coming along on this video today, guys. Thank you again, Rachel, for inspiring me and, you know, inspiring this video, because without your email, I would have never thought to go out there right now and buy a bunch of KISS nails, but I'm very happy that I did. So if you have something that you found that you're excited about and you want to share with me so that I can maybe share with everyone here on this channel, please let me know. Email me, and you know the email address is linked in the description section, but it's angelbridgelisa@hotmail.com. So anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. All right, guys, they ended up being a little too long for me, so I did cut them down. So I just want to show you what they look like cut down. I did lose the little paw here, but I think they look better. They don't look, I just don't like that pointy look. I just can't. So this is how the manicure is going to go for me for the week. So I just wanted to show you that. All right, guys.